So friend, this is your friend Cool Kunal. Hi. First of all, you will remember me, I know, for years to come, and I have been a major participant in the class activities, apart from sports, leave about sports, huh? So what all activities? That is all THUS activities I am talking about. The THUS we have taken, THUS sessions we have taken in our boys hostel and in classes. So okay, I must say I have been very grateful to all my friends in hostel as well as all my day scholars. They have done a wonderful, they have made my 4 years a wonderful experience and have always helped me for whatever I need. I know I can turn to them for any kind of help. They help me out. So, and I expect the same from them, from you all. You know, probably you are seeing me, you're looking at me. And let me take out my spectacles. See, I look a bit smarter without my spectacles, and I'll pursue to take up lenses afterwards. And right now, hope you enjoy your future, and God bless you. See you. Bye.
Hi class, remember me? Vidhu? Lot of money with me. Okay. So 4 years in college, it's all over. It's finishing. Everybody will be going their different ways. We don't know when we'll meet next, but hopefully we'll all remember each other. So God knows when again we'll all be meeting each other. But for all of us, best of luck to each and every individual, and hope really that we all make our dreams come true, and in the future we meet when we have reached our destinations, so that we can come together and look back at the years we spent together, at the formative years which have made us what we are today. And with that, I'll wish everybody the best of luck in their lives, and hopefully you all will remember me, so that later on when I'll meet you guys, I won't have to introduce myself to you guys. Thank you. Bye.
Hello class, this is Sandeep Ranjan. I hope you remember me. So this is a very difficult situation as we are leaving this college and we are just going apart from each other. I hope we'll keep in touch with each other. So I just want to wish all the best for their future to all of my classmates for their future. That's what I want to say. I don't know what to say. It's really very difficult situation to leave this college as we have spent 4 years together. We have enjoyed a lot. I will really miss this college and friends like you. So I don't know what to say more. I hope all of you will remember me, and I miss you a lot. That's it. Bye-bye.
Hi class, I hope you remember me as Ankit Gupta. I was known as Doctor, but I would like you to remember me as Ankit Gupta. I hope I can live up to your expectations and do a PhD so that I can justify my name, that is Doctor. And I hope everybody does well in future. Sometimes I get it is very difficult to tell the feeling when we are separating. I feel very nostalgic about these 4 years. It's really very difficult to explain how I feel, but I sincerely wish that everybody does well in his future, in his career, and I hope we can meet again at the convocation and say that we have done our best, and I hope that everybody has achieved his or her aim to some extent when we meet again at the convocation. And I like to say that we should interact at least once a year through mail or through personal contact. Most of us are placed in Noida, around Delhi only, so we can get together once a while and share our views on how our lives are going. And that's all I want to say. I wish best of luck to all. Stop.
Hi guys, this is Abhik, and I'm feeling pretty awkward because I had spent one of the finest 4 years of my life out here. I had been pretty critical to some people, pretty annoying to some people. I've had a pretty good time out here, and I hope that each one of you do pretty well with your fields and get into the proper lines, do well in your careers, get married, and that's all I think. Bye.
As of now that Ankush Tyagi has asked me to speak something about the class, and it's a very informed talk that I have to speak in very short moments notice. Okay, we all have spent the 4 years with each other, and it was great fun, to say it least. And I just want to add that we have all enjoyed all this 4 years in this engineering college and SIT, and I just want to say all the best to all of you, because I just want to say that, and I know that we all will be a big success after that. We all will be a big success after that. And don't ever give up in this life, because it's a basic essence of life. And what more can I say? That okay, and even I stayed in hostel, and I even enjoyed so many great moments in my B block hostel. I've spent so much time with my friends, as of like Abhinav, Romet, Mohed, Bhai, Joshi, Anna, and others. And I know that we all will be parting our ways after this time, but it's better that we should remember each other after this, and there should be a place of each other in our hearts. And to say the last, all the best to all of you. Bye.
Hi friends, I really enjoyed my 4 years with you in this college. Thank you for your love and affection you have given to me. Love you all. Keep in touch with me. Bye.
Hi guys, I hope I find you in best of spirits. The message I want to give you is, wherever you are, live your life, enjoy yourself, and please do keep in touch. What more I would say? That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Sir?
Yeah, it feels very sad to leave the college, but क्या करें, अब तो छोड़ना पड़ रहा है. And सबको मिस बहुत करूँगा यार. गुड़िया को दबाता था जो, पक्का बहुत मिस करूँगा. मेरे हाथ वहाँ पे जाके बहुत मचल रहे होंगे. और सब यार तारी ये सब मजे लेते थे सब. मन्नू, अभिनव, ठाकुर, ये 2-3, मैं तो हॉस्टल में क्या सेकेंड ईयर के बाद आया था, बट जो मज़े यहाँ पे लिए शायद आगे इन सबको मिस करूँगा. बाकी मेरे मन से सीरियसली सबके लिए अच्छी विशेष है कि सबको लाइफ में जो वो चाहते हैं वो मिल जाए. और सक्सेस ऐसा नहीं, सक्सेस को अगर डिफाइन करें तो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि अभी तुम्हें हर मोमेंट पे लाइफ में सक्सेस मिल जाता है. अगर सक्सेस का असली मतलब तभी है व्हेन यू गो थ्रू द फेलियर्स. उसके बाद जब तुम्हें सक्सेस मिलेगा देन यू विल फील रियली वेरी हैप्पी. तो सबके लिए यही है कि यार अभी डिसअपॉइंट होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. लाइफ तो भी बहुत बची हुई है. सो कीप ट्राइंग. आई एम श्योर कि सबको सक्सेस मिल जाएगा. अच्छा.
Hi, I am Kunal. I was nicknamed as Donkey, and I give you best of luck to all of you for the future, and live life to the fullest. Bye.